Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Chloe Brown, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do that down below and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. So, simple 5-minute mom makeup look. Okay, us moms, we don't have much time to just look great and fix the house and get our children out the door for school or what have you. So we need a little something that can make us feel really good, really put together in less than 5 minutes. So today I'm going to show you a very quick 5-minute makeup tutorial. It actually took me 5 minutes and 47 seconds. If I wasn't talking, I definitely think that it would have been 5 minutes. So this makeup look is very simple, very everyday, and I think it's great for summer. It has sunscreen, 50 SPF, so that is amazing. Your skin is well protected during the summer. And yeah, I'm just gonna stop talking and we'll go right into the video. I have been starting out with my concealer first. I use the Bye Bye Under Eye by IT Cosmetics, and I am in the color Light Tan, number 14. I actually apply this with my fingers, just like this. I like to bring it on my nose and like right in between my eyes too. Bring it on my eyelids so that everything is blended out. So the reason why I like using my fingers is I think that it just gives a really natural application. So next up, I'm gonna use the IT Cosmetics CC Cream. I like this stuff because it has SPF 50. It has definitely helped out my acne, reduce it a lot. So I'm just gonna dab a couple things all over my face, a couple on my neck. I'm gonna take a damp beauty blender and just blend that out. All right, and now I'm gonna use, I just actually got this and I really like it. It's the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores, and it is the pressed powder. So I am just gonna take the back of a brush and just set my under eyes, and we will wipe it away in a little bit. So this is kind of like baking, but I'm not doing too much, just something really natural. And then I am going to put a lot on my eyelids so that we can apply our eyeshadow. Okay, we're gonna move on to the eyes and then we'll go back to the face. So for the eyes, I'm just gonna use my Butter Bronzer in the color Bronzer, and I'm gonna just take a really big fluffy brush and go ahead and pack that color all over my eye in and add some dimension. And it also is gonna match our face because we're gonna use it as bronzer later. So now I'm gonna take the Wet n Wild highlighter. This is in the color Golden Flower Crown, and I'm just gonna use my finger. You can also wet this because this is a more natural look. I'm not gonna wet it. I don't want it to be too out there, but I just want a little shimmer and shine. You can put the rest on your nose because you're eventually gonna do that later. So usually with the leftovers, I put it on my nose and my upper lip. I'm just gonna add a tiny, tiny little wing out on the side of my eye, and I'm gonna use the matte liquid eyeliner from NYX. Just a tiny little wing. Okay, so I know that looks kind of weird. It'll come together once you have mascara on. So now I'm gonna brush away all of my under eye setting powder. Now be careful because your eyeliner is still wet and you do not want to drag it. I've done that many a times. I have actually been really loving this Physicians Formula Lash Mixologist mascara. So it has a length side and then it has a volumizing side. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the length side first, and we're just gonna do one coat. We're gonna let it dry, and then we're gonna do our bronzer and blush, and then we're gonna come back to it. For bronzer, I'm gonna go back with the Butter Bronzer in the color Bronzer. I'm actually gonna take a fan brush. I've been taking a fan brush lately, and I've been loving the application. I was getting too excited and crazy with my bronzer. And I was just getting everywhere, and it was way too dark, so I was like, I need to lighten this up. So I started using a fan brush, and I really liked the application. I'm going to use Physicians Formula Beachy Peachy. I also really like Milani Baked blush in Luminoso. And I just add a tiny, tiny bit of blush. I don't like anything to be too crazy on my face with blush, especially in the summertime. I'm gonna go back in with that highlighter and just do a little bit. That's it. Spray the face. This is the Mario Badescu Rose Spray, by the way. Really like it. My lips lately, I have been using my absolute favorite liquid lipstick from Tarte. This is their Tarte lip paint, and this is the matte one. This is the color Low Key. I'm gonna let it dry for a second. We're gonna go back in with the mascara and do another coat. This is the volumizing side. I apply my mascara, so weird. I'm sure some of you do this too, but I just blink every single time. I know a lot of people do back and forth and up. I just do it fast and I blink every time. Okay, now that my eyes are done, I'm gonna take the Physicians Formula Butter Chapstick. I don't know how to say that. And this is in the color Pop the Bubbly. I think this is from the Casey Holmes collection. And I'm just gonna dab just a little bit on the top and the bottom, mix it in my lips. I definitely love that little shimmer shade. This is the finished look. Let me dim my light so you can see a little better. All right, I'm gonna go do my hair and I will be right back. All right, and here is the finished look with my hair done. It definitely looks very different than when I have my hair just like slicked back wet. I think it came together great. I really, really love this look. This is something that like I said, I've been going to every day when my husband's like, hey, let's go get some food. I'm like, give me 5 minutes, please. Now, I know I didn't do eyebrows, and that is because I use a tattoo thing on my eyebrow. It's makeup, but it lasts so long, so I didn't even have to touch it up this morning. I just woke up with my eyebrows like this, and I thought it looked pretty good, so I didn't touch it up at all. So I'm gonna actually put a link to a video in the eye, whatever side it's on one of these sides, and that'll show you exactly how I do my eyebrows, and it saves me so much time. So if I were to do my eyebrows with this makeup tutorial, it would have probably been 15 minutes because eyebrows take me about 10. It's the longest process of my makeup look. So taking that 10 minutes out is fantastic. And I highly suggest this product to everybody who struggles in the eyebrow realm like I do. If you guys have any suggestions for future videos, please put those in the comments down below. I would love to hear you guys' feedback. Yeah, and I hope you guys have a great day. Love you.